Ever pondered over which countries possess the most modern fighter jet fleets? A fascinating question indeed. To answer this, we must delve into the rich history of fighter jets, a journey that takes us back to the early 20th century. In the beginning, the concept of air warfare was a mere fantasy. But as the First World War unfolded, the world saw the birth of military aviation. In those early days, airplanes were primarily used for reconnaissance. However, the potential for these machines to become lethal weapons of war soon became evident. Fast forward to the Second World War, and the fighter jet had evolved into an integral part of any formidable military power. It was during this era that the jet engine was introduced, revolutionizing the capabilities of fighter aircraft. The Germans were pioneers in this field, with the Messerschmitt Mer 262, the first operational jet-powered fighter, making its debut. The years following the Second World War saw an arms race of sorts, with nations striving to develop the fastest, most maneuverable, and most heavily armed fighter jets. The Cold War era was a hotbed for such advancements, with countries like the United States and the Soviet Union leading the charge. Fast forward to today, and we find ourselves in an era where the focus has shifted from speed and armament to stealth, advanced avionics, and network-centric warfare. Fighter jets have become flying computers, capable of processing vast amounts of data and executing complex missions with precision. As of my last update in January 2022, the top 10 countries with some of the most modern fighter jet fleets include the United States, Russia, China, India, France, the United Kingdom, Japan, Turkey, Germany, and South Korea. However, these rankings are fluid, as countries continually upgrade their military capabilities. Recent news highlights the ongoing dynamics in the world of fighter jets. For instance, Middle Eastern countries are making significant purchases of advanced fighter jets. Saudi Arabia and the UAE have acquired F-15SA fighters and Dassault Rafales respectively. The region now boasts the world's second, third, and fourth largest F-16 fleets. In another part of the world, the US Air Force is undergoing a significant overhaul of its aircraft fleets and pilot training to prepare for potential conflicts with near-peer adversaries like China. A focus on modernization and readiness for great power competition is driving these changes. In conclusion, the world of fighter jets is a constantly evolving landscape. From the early days of propeller-driven planes to the modern fleets of stealthy, network-centric jets, the journey has been one of continuous innovation and advancement. And as geopolitical tensions continue to shape military strategies, the quest for the most modern fighter jet fleets remains an ongoing race.